How to get rich using astrology. Unlock your wealth potential. Hey there, cosmic dreamers. Have you ever wondered if the stars hold the secret to your wealth and success? Well, guess what? They do. Today, I'm going to show you how to use astrology to get rich. Yes, for real. From understanding your money planets to picking the best career paths based on your zodiac sign, we'll unlock the universe's secrets to financial success. Your money planets. Who controls your wealth? First things first, which planets rule your money? Let's break it down. Jupiter, the planet of luck, abundance, and expansion. If Jupiter is strong in your chart, you have a natural gift for making money. Venus, the planet of luxury, beauty, and comfort. If Venus is well placed, you can make money through creativity, business, or even luxury goods. Saturn, the planet of hard work and discipline. If you have Saturn influencing your money house, wealth will come through patience and consistency. Think long-term success. So, check your birth chart and find out which planet is leading your financial journey. Your zodiac sign and the best careers for wealth. Now let us talk about what career paths will make you the most money based on your zodiac sign. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You are natural leaders. Start your own business, become an entrepreneur, or work in sales and marketing. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You're intuitive and creative. You can make big money in psychology, healing, art, music, or even spiritual work. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You love stability. Real estate, finance, banking, and management will bring you financial security and success. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You are communicators and visionaries. You'll thrive in tech, media, social media, teaching, or innovative startups. Did you know some days are luckier than others for making money? Here's the secret. Thursday, ruled by Jupiter, this is the best day to manifest wealth, start a new job, or make a big purchase. Friday, ruled by Venus, this is a great day for money-related beauty businesses, luxury investments, or shopping for high-value items. Saturday, ruled by Saturn, this is the best day for long-term financial planning, investments, and setting big goals, using your birth chart to attract wealth. Now, let's talk about the money houses in your birth chart. These are the key areas that control your finances. Second house, your personal wealth, income, and how you earn money. If you have Venus, Jupiter, or the Sun here, expect big money opportunities. Eighth house. This is the house of investments, inheritance, and passive income. If Pluto or Jupiter is here, you can make wealth through stocks, crypto, or other financial strategies. 10th house, your career and public success. Planets here show what jobs will make you rich. Rituals and manifestation for financial success. All right, now it's time for some manifestation magic. Want to attract wealth? Try these. Write down your money goals on a Thursday night under a candlelight ritual. Wear a citrine crystal. It's the stone of abundance and prosperity. Say daily affirmations. I am wealthy. Money flows easily to me. Your cosmic money, get rich plan. So, are you ready to use astrology to get rich? Let's recap your cosmic wealth plan. Find your money planet. Is it Jupiter, Venus, or Saturn? Choose a career that matches your zodiac strengths. Use lucky money days to make powerful financial moves. Check your birth chart for your 2nd, 8th, and 10th houses. Practice wealth manifestation rituals. And remember, the stars don't control everything. You do. But astrology gives you the best roadmap to success. If you loved this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. What's your zodiac sign and how do you plan to use astrology to get rich?